We're following breaking news out of Long Beach that quickly shifted to LAX as JetBlue Flight 292 encountered a serious mechanical issue midair. Live footage shows the nose gear of the Airbus A320 stuck in a sideways position as the aircraft prepared for an emergency landing. The plane, carrying 140 passengers and 6 crew members, originally performed a low flyby past the Long Beach control tower to allow air traffic controllers to visually confirm the problem. The nose wheel was visibly rotated 90 degrees off-center, prompting the pilot to declare an emergency and divert to Los Angeles International Airport, LAX, where better facilities and emergency response teams awaited. In the air, the flight crew calmly assessed the situation, likely running through multiple emergency checklists as they circled to burn off fuel and prepare for controlled landing. Back on the ground, LAX emergency crews, including fire trucks, paramedics, and passenger transport buses lined up along runway 25L, the airport's longest and most suitable for such high-stakes landings. As the aircraft approached LAX, high-definition footage showed the nose gear still locked in the wrong direction. Despite this, the pilot executed a near-flawless landing. The main landing gear touched down smoothly, and the nose was gently lowered to the runway. Sparks and smoke erupted as the sideways nose wheels scraped along the tarmac. But critically, the gear held and the fuselage remained intact. The aircraft came to a full stop without veering off the runway, and there was no sign of fire or additional structural damage. Emergency crews immediately moved in as the cabin crew prepared to deploy evacuation slides. Passengers were expected to disembark through emergency exits under the supervision of flight attendants. Thanks to skillful piloting, calm professionalism from the crew, and quick response on the ground, a potentially catastrophic mechanical failure ended safely. We'll continue to provide updates as more information becomes available about the passengers, the cause of the gear malfunction, and any potential injuries. Would you like a condensed version for social media or a visual summary?